Hi friends, today I am going to teach you about 5 tips which helped me lots in my affiliate career. Hi guys, I am Dhaval, full-time affiliate and digital marketer, founder and owner of funnelforgrowth.com. We are creating high converting sales funnel for our clients. These tips not only build trust and authority upon your audience, but it brings lots of sale to you guys. I am going to share my exact strategy and tips with you today. Before starting ahead in the video, here is a little disclaimer. This video is not a rich quick scheme guys. You have to work hard. Affiliate marketing is just like other businesses. So let's get started guys. Number 5. Do a product review. Create a blog or do a video by reviewing your product. It will increase awareness of your product with your audience. So this is how your audience will know more about your product. By reviewing that product, you are converting cold audience into warm audience. If you're interested to writing a blog, then you can rank your blog in a Google top 10 page with the help of on-page and off-page SEO. You can rank your video in the YouTube also by entering a specific keyword related to your affiliate program by reviewing the video of that product. Now it's time to tip number 4. Do comparison. Write a blog of the comparison of your product with the similar product, or do a YouTube video with the comparison of your product with the similar product. Like I am doing affiliate marketing of Builderall, then probably I would do a comparison video of Builderall versus ClickFunnels, Builderall versus GrowFunnels. So this is how also we can convert cold audience into warm audience. Also doing by comparison, people will know more about your product and will know more the benefit of your product. Now it's time to tip number 3. Give bonuses. Yes guys, like us, many people also promote the same affiliate program and product. So how we can stand out from the crowd? We have to give our special bonuses to our audience, like a 30-minute coaching call, one-on-one mentorship. It could be free PDF, it could be free cheat sheet or a blueprint. Just like that, give a value more to our visitor. So this is how the conversion ratio will be more. I am giving lifetime support to my audience, giving one-on-one mentoring and nurture them in my Facebook groups. So this is how I increase more sale in affiliate marketing. If anyone join me under my affiliate program, I will give them 100% support and push them to get more sale. This is how by doing one-on-one mentoring, you can also generate more sale with your affiliate program. Now it's time to tip number 2. Nurture your audience. Give them value. Yes guys, many people start selling immediately when the prospect comes to them. Don't do this mistake guys. Don't try to sell them. Give them a value. When anyone come to you with a specific question regarding that product, just answer them. Don't try to sell them guys. After you can later on with the messages sequence, you can nurture them and at the end you can sell your program to them. Try to build a relationship with your audience. First, they have to know you. Who are you? What are the benefits of this product? How this product will help them in their daily life. So instead of selling, give them value and give them knowledge about how this product will help them in their daily life. This is how you can convert more sale. It's time to tip number 1. Create a bridge page between your affiliate offer and with your audience. Many people send direct traffic to their affiliate offer. This is the wrong practice, guys. Create a landing page or opt-in page in between your affiliate offer and your audience. So whenever your audience come to your landing page or your opt-in page, you can collect their details, and after getting their details, you can retarget them into your affiliate offer. So this is way you can collect their email ID and you can nurture them later on with the email sequences. And with the email sequences, you can generate more sale. I always create a bridge page of my affiliate offer. I am giving the link in the description from where you can find a free course and my whole funnels of ClickBank's products that you can use it for your future. You can use those funnels, all the funnels done for you guys. So start sending traffic to your funnels rather than direct to your affiliate program. Also, you will get all the done for you funnels of ClickBank's products on the health and wealth, products on the dog niche. There are many niches, guys. I have created lots of done for you funnel, guys, and you can get those funnels absolutely free for lifetime from the link below. So guys, this is how you can generate more sale in your affiliate product. This is how I create more sale in my affiliate marketing. If you want to know more about affiliate marketing, digital marketing, you can anytime reach out to me. Thanks for watching my video, guys.